Yes. Did you want to talk about your car now?
No. Unless
You don't even have to be on camera.
you can put me on camera, but
You can just talk about it. Like, when did you buy it?
my wife and I bought this car last year after the fair was over. We have been lifelong Danny Prziborowski fans, and the car came up for sale, and my wife graciously told me we should buy that car. So
Do you remember seeing it race?
I do. The picture of Danny with the checkered flag at the state fair, I was in the grandstand for that race, and just a memory it'll be always with me now because we own the car.
Skip didn't believe that I owned it.
This book, I did some history on the car in Marge Elfman's book, and this car won a lot of races in the early 60s at Raceway Park.
I wonder if they run it like Stillwater or anything like that on the dirt?
I was told it raced at Princeton on the dirt.
Oh, okay.
And I was fortunate to talk to Blackie Wangren last summer before he passed away, and he said that this car very rarely finished lower than third.
I am amazed at the mounting of the fuel cell right behind it.
Right, and it was two jerry cans welded together in the middle. That's backyard engineering at its finest. And one of the older guys that was out here a couple days ago remembered loaning the quick change rear end, and it was on loan and they never got it back.
Oh.
So I asked if I owed him a quick change rear end.
And you just recently got these wheels and tires, right? They're kind of period correct?
These are period correct dirt tires that are on loan from Rick DeGrego, a member of the club. Then the asphalt tires and wheels I got, Skip Pollock rounded up a bunch of pavement tires from a guy in Wisconsin. And local racer Nick Murgic was kind enough to make us a real sweet deal on some 5-wide wheels.
Oh. What did this have? Do you remember what it had when it ran originally? Was it 327?
I was told a 327, and
that
that's
what you got?
still a 327 block that's in it. Yep, 3 deuces.
Does it still run?
I'm currently in the process of reworking this engine.